Hey vlog, it's your girl Twin and we are back with another video. And I've been like storing up a lot of different videos recently. I'm gonna edit at some point this week. I'm off work, so I have plenty of time to edit. So yeah, the video's gonna be coming in. But we woke up, we went to church today. It's Sunday, May 31st, the day of the month. And honestly, I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very positive. Much better than I was previously. And last night, I think I had a little bit of breakdown, but my night ended well. The sermon today was basically about letting God renew your mind, and I really need to hear that. So I'm just being positive with the new month starting tomorrow. That's what we need. We need to be in the present and not anxious about what is gone or what is coming. Just be grateful that we are alive and that we're here. So that's what I'm prioritizing, and I hope that you do this. I plan on going to the aquarium today. I don't know why I woke up today and I was just called to go to the aquarium, because it seems like a very peaceful, cool thing to look at. I've never been to the Dallas Aquarium. So yeah, my stomach is actually really messed up right now though, so I'm kind of trying to navigate what I should do about that, because I actually really have to go to the bathroom. So yeah, we'll see. Hey you guys, so we're about to park. I made it to the aquarium, so let me pay for parking. Right, you guys, we are, oh my gosh, we're here. Another birdie. It's so cute. Hello. Whoa. They're friends. Hello. Look at their little cute fish. What was that?
Number 4. That's in the 4th.
Oh, thank you. Hello, hi. Oh, look at that. I don't know what that I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. But this is pretty cool. There's like a little monkey. I still don't know how to zoom in on this camera, so it's hard to show you guys, but it's like a little monkey in the tree. It's so pretty. Now we see the manatees and like more of the underwater animals now. Alright, you guys, so I just left. It took me a good like hour to get through everything. It's 1:19. I think it did, right? I don't know if I'm at the right. Alright, you guys, we made it back. Thank God. Ooh, it's so hot. It is so hot outside. I would rate that experience. It was pretty cool. Like, I didn't expect it to be as big as it was until I got in there, and then I kept walking. I'm like, this isn't over yet. I kind of zoomed through because I was kind of hungry towards the end. I haven't eaten yet today because of my stomach, so I'm gonna go get food. But I would rate the experience a solid 7. Like, most of the exhibits were pretty cool. They had a lot of different types of animals in there. They had manatees. There was a sign that said penguins, but I didn't see any penguins, so I don't know. And then they had like monkeys, bats, lots of fish, of course. I wasn't expecting to see like as many land animals as I did, because I thought the aquarium was strictly like, you know, underwater ocean animals, but they had a mixture of both. And the whole thing took about an hour to get through, so it's definitely a great date spot. And I got some footage on my TikTok too, so I'm gonna post that later. But yeah, I would say it was a great experience for $30-something. Parking isn't free though, but I don't know if they're really checking or not. I don't see nobody giving out tickets, so part of me feels like I could have got away without paying, but that's just me. It was $13 parking plus $34 I think for the ticket, so I don't know, I feel like that's a pretty good experience because there's a lot to see in there. If I wasn't hungry, I probably would have like spent more time looking at everything, but they had like alligators, sharks, all types of stuff in there, which is pretty cool. It was nice to see like all of the families and stuff, looking at everything. But now I'm gonna get food so I can go head back home. I need to be home by 3. As I said, I have that Zoom call to go to, and then after that I can like relax, because I don't know, when I have something like going on later in the day, sometimes I get anxious about it, but I'm not gonna do that today. That's why I'm out and about, because I still can enjoy my day. So my stomach actually is still upset, so I think I'm just gonna go home and eat something there, because I don't know, my stomach is still upset. I need something. Probably gotta go home and drink some ginger tea or something. But yeah, that was cool. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of a teacher on her summer break, just literally lily-gagging and doing whatever she wants. Bing! My name is Twin. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. I do lifestyle, random, just different vlog content. So yeah, on today's agenda, we're going to the butterfly. I don't know what it's called, but they have butterflies. I think it said Fair Park or something. I forgot the address, but it's literally 10 minutes away from me, so I have to go. I have to go. It closes at 5. It's about 1 right now. So we're gonna go see some butterflies. I've been doing side quests. I already vlogged when I went to the aquarium on Sunday. So today's Tuesday. Now we're on our next adventure. So come along with me, like, comment, subscribe. We're on the DJI camera. I just ate some oatmeal, took my shower, got dressed, cleaned up a little bit, and now we are ready to start our day. I also have some errands I need to run today, but we're gonna start with the fun stuff, and then we'll do the important stuff later. I do have to get my nails done because you can see I'm missing 2 nails. I have a hair appointment tomorrow, so I'm actually getting the curly suit in out. This curly suit in was amazing tea. I definitely recommend. This hair is everything. Can you believe that I had this in since March? It is May. No, it's June. It's June, y'all. I had this hair March, April, May, June for 3 months, literally. And it's still tea. The only thing is my leave out, so that's why I'm taking it out, so that my hair can breathe again. But I definitely will be doing a curly soon again. Probably might do another one when school starts because I love how low maintenance it is. So yeah, we'll see. But we're gonna go see some butterflies. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and I'll see you guys when we get to either the location or my car, one of those. The sun is starting to come out. Love that. This is the fit. I'm just wearing my new balances and all of that. The sun is starting to come out, period. Love that. Okay, well, basically, we're gonna take out the trash on our way out, and then I will catch up with you guys, okay? We are at the Butterfly Discovery, the Texas Discovery Garden, and I'm so excited. The sun came out. It is a beautiful day. We're about to see some butterflies, y'all. Oh, this is so cutesy. I love my side quest. Parking is free. Let's get into that. Parking is free. You know I'm gonna make a little TikTok too, so I'm about to pull out my phone to make a little tickety-talkie. But it's free parking right outside, and then I think it's like $14 to get into the Discovery Garden. So we're about to go in, y'all. This is so cutesy. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. All right, you guys, I have to get my sorry guys. So we are walking in now. It is such a perfect day for this, and it's a very shaded area. Hopefully I don't get scared. I feel like I'll be fine. Oh my gosh, there's a Ferris wheel right there too, y'all. Look, you see the Ferris wheel? Right there. There's a Ferris wheel back there too. Ooh. Okay, ooh, there's something definitely in there. Let me keep walking. The Texas Discovery Gardens. Wow. This is such a cute day idea, y'all. We're by ourselves, but hey, I'm still really excited for this. Okay. Wow. Look at the entrance. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay, you guys, we're inside. It was $14 for a wristband, and oh my god, I'm about to go down there where all of the butterflies, there's so many beautiful butterflies in here, different colors and all types of species. Oh my gosh, look at that one. But I'm about to walk around now, y'all, and show you guys the experience. Let me get a picture real quick. Oh my gosh, how cute is this, you guys? I love my life. Like, I'm literally just I would never be able to do this if I wasn't a teacher on summer break. Like, let's get a selfie. Oh my gosh, and there's an airplane up there. What the heck? What's happening? Oh, there's one right there. Look at it. They're so beautiful. Okay, let's get a closer look, guys. Hopefully one lands on me. We'll see. Oh, so beautiful. Those are dancing. They're dancing. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Guys, I'm trying to flip the camera. Look at that one. It's huge. Can you guys see it? Look at this one. It's huge. Wow. I've never seen a butterfly that big before. It's so pretty. I gotta get a picture of it. I got to get a picture of it. I'm scared to walk because some of them are on the floor and like I don't want to step on it, you know? Wow. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there was so many just to oh wow. Oh, that bird is so cute. I love the yellow and orange ones. So cute. Wow, there's so many over here. Okay, now we're going out to the garden area. We have a garden. Wow, some praying mantis. Whoa, it's a poison dart frog. Oh my goodness, wow. Look at it. Hello. And it's so hot. I'm trying to enjoy the beauty, but I'm hot, y'all. Goodness gracious. It's hot. But I am enjoying this. Oh, thank you, Jesus, for the breeze. I'm enjoying this though. It's very tranquil. Definitely got to come here again if I ever want to clear my mind. Look at the fountain. So cool. Really enjoying myself today. I need to go get my nails done before it gets too late. I'm probably gonna leave here in a little bit. I do want to go home and eat a sandwich though. I'm not really trying to spend any more money. Probably gonna go home, eat, and then go back out to get my nails situated, and then possibly find a place to get some glasses. But this is a really chill vibe. I used to do stuff like this all the time when I was back in Tallahassee. It's just something about being in nature that's like really, really cool also. So yeah.